Amman. Amman is the capital and also the largest city in Jordan. It's also the country's economic and political cultural center. People have found evidence of humans living there for over 8,000 years ago. It has lots of different culture and history, and there are also the world's oldest statues that lie there.
Amman is right here, and we're going to test you.
Later.
Now I'm going to tell you about the Dead Sea. The Dead Sea is a lake that borders Jordan to the east and Israel to the west. It is called the Dead Sea because almost nothing lives inside it. That's because it is the saltiest lake on earth. It is so salty you can float on the water. So this is the ocean water, and this is not floating.
Now it's floating, and then this one is sand.
And then see is right here.
And the next one is Wadi Rum.
Wadi Rum is a large valley in southern Jordan. It is also called the Valley of the Moon. Due to its artworky landscape, many movies have been filmed there. Parts of Star Wars movies have been filmed there, alongside some movies about Mars. And Wadi Rum is here.
Next we have Petra.
Petra is an ancient city from a group of people called the Nabateans in the southwestern corner of Jordan. Dating to around 300 BC, it was the capital of the Nabatean kingdom. It contains tombs and temples carved into pink rocks. Its most famous structure is Al Qasna, a 45-meter high temple.
Petra is right here. Now we're going to talk about Jerash. Jerash is a small city in northern Jordan. It is famous for its ancient ruins. It is believed that the ancient ruins were destroyed by an earthquake. There is evidence that many empires once settled Jerash, including the Greeks and Romans. It's also a famous tourist place. Jerash is here. Now I'm going to talk about climate. Jordan has a hot, dry climate characterized by long, hot, dry summers and short, cool winters. Geography. Landforms. Jordan possesses some of the most interesting and wide-ranging landforms in the Middle East. Some landforms are numerous mountains and hills with historical or religious significance. With lots of valleys and deserts, they gain lots of tourists because so many people visit. Jordan is not dry land. The Dead Sea, Gulf of Aqaba, and major rivers are only some of its bodies of water.
Temperature. Jordan mostly has a Mediterranean climate, which is a type of climate where the winters are mild and wet and the summers are warm and hot. The average temperatures in Jordan are about 30 degrees to 40 degrees Celsius. Population. The population of Jordan is 10,300,869 in 2022. Okay, now we have to switch because there's no more time.